All right. What was the purpose of this pulling and pushing and squeezing and cursing, all of this? Now, what we established, that the bonnet and the lock is in the center. That was important because we were changing this. There is a slightly possibility that we lost some measures. I told you already that these wings are fixed on the car, so when we weld them, we don't have a chance to move them left, right. That's the reason why I was drilling that holes with a 8mm drill bit, and the bolt is M6, so I still have millimeter left, right to pull the wings if I want. And then when I establish where the wing is living permanently, then I can weld through that hole. Now, these points of the car, we can weld them later, and we still can play left, right with them, bit up and down. This point of the car is always solid welded, and that's why I want to have a bonnet on the car to see how much space I have here and there. So this gap is pretty good, even if it's uneven. Experience can tell me that I'm good. So the good gap is like 4 mils, add a mil for filler or paint or whatever, so we are good. Which means that the bonnet is on the right place, wings are still not welded, the surface under the wings is still rusty, but these measures will help me to determine how much and how long, how much I can cut, and the place for new patches and the panels which lives under the wing. Now, to the end of the day, I will try to fit that panels which holds the wings, and I can cut them, chop them, twist them, and do whatever I want until I know that all this is in good position. Thanks. Okay guys, it's the end of the working day and I have my rail under this wing. So if you remember from the beginning of the video, we had to put the wings, put the bonnet, put the other wing, just to have some gaps and basic measures. And then I was working upside down just to put this part on the car, because wing is telling to me where this lives. This was rotten. At least now I have this part on the car. It's ugly as fuck. There is some welds and attachments and tools that still should be properly welded and flattened and graded, but it's here and it's like on original car. Next time we're going to do it on that side and then we can go back to the cabin. Thanks, follow us.